Diptaphone, how are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing, Diptaphone?
So first of all you need this type of microphone. This is connected with a splitter. Splitter has two connection. One is for microphone and one is for audio or speaker. Speaker is like this, very simple. This is the 3.5 mm jack for your audio input, and this is the power connection, power cable. This is the USB port. You can connect it with any USB charger, mobile charger. This is the stand. You can use this type of stand for your mobile. And if you need a permanent setup, then you need this type of board, and setup will be like this. So setup will be like this. This speaker will be in two side. This is for the power connection. You can use this. It will be connected with the splitter, audio 3.5 mm jack. You can fix it with the 2-in-1 tape, and if your power connection is far away from your setup, then you can use this type of jugaad. This is the power cable and this is the mobile charger. You can connect it. It will be helpful for the setup. And how it will be mount for the permanent setup, let's see. So you can use this type of board, and you need this type of tape. This is 2-in-1 tape. This has the adhesive in both sides. So first of all we paste on the holder. After pasting it, press it properly. And cut the residue part at the edge. In both sides. And like this at the speaker also. And this is the main speaker, so you should be careful for this speaker. The all things are done. So now we will paste it on the board like this. What is the comfortable position? First set like this and peel off the upper tape of the 2-in-1 tape. and just paste it like this. And now for the mobile stand. So it has been done, and carefully paste it in board. So it is okay and it will not fall. So this is the 3.5 mm jack I am connecting in the mobile's 3.5 mm socket, and this is the splitters audio connection I am connecting with the speakers 3.5 mm jack. Now my setup is ready. This is for the microphone and this is for the power cable. And now I am connecting this power cable here, and this is connecting with the charger. So this is the setup. This is the microphone, and this is the power connection. I am connecting with the charger. This is in the plug. So let's see how it works. And now I am connecting this microphone in Golu's shirt. And don't touch this, please. See here.
So where's mommy?
Mommy is on a video calling. So let's talk with mommy.
Mama, তুই কি করছো ওখানে?
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing, Diptapon?
I'm talking to you.
Oh, are you okay?
Yes.
How can you get this? The link is in description below. You can get it from Amazon or Flipkart. And if you don't get it, parallelly you can use this type of splitter. The one is for microphone and one is for the audio, and you can use this type of lapel microphone. It will be connected with the microphone and another side will be connected with the speaker. And this type of speaker you can get it in the local market and also in the Amazon or Flipkart. And rest of the things, stand and the board, you can get it easily in the local market. So thank you, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe.